Hello, I'm going to explain how to program a decoder on a newly acquired locomotive. I bought this CP4238 locomotive at a train show. However, the decoder is set for the factory default of 3 rather than the unit number 4238, so I would like to fix that. So just to prove that it's 3, here's my NCE Power Cab. I'll select locomotive 3, enter. You can see I make it move, blow the horn, bell, headlight, all that stuff. So it's at 3, that's no good. I want it to be 4238. So on the decoder, on the NCE, here's what I do. I hit program, I keep hitting it. So the program key is right here, the bottom left. I hit that and it says program on main. These are the different options as I keep hitting program. All the way through. And then if you keep hitting it, eventually it goes back and drops back to normal mode. So I'm going to do a programming track. Now it's really not on the programming track, it is on the main. So you do not want to use programming track option when there are other locomotives on the same track, because they'll all get programmed at the same time, and that's bad. So what I've done is I've removed all of my locomotives except for this. This is the only locomotive that is on my layout at the moment, so it's okay to use programming track. So I say use programming track, and then I hit enter. And so it says, what do I want? Standard set of CV or registers. I want standard. It says wait, so it's going to go talk. Found the manufacturer number 141, which I guess is for the Soundtrax decoder. And then you hit enter. Decoder version, I found it, 35, so it's able to talk to it. And I could hear a little chitter from the locomotive, so I can hit enter again. So now it wants to know, it says active address short. Do I want to set up the address? 1 for yes. So hit 1. Short address, I'm going to make it the last 2 digits. 3, 8, but I don't want a short address. Do I want to activate this address? 1 is yes. I'm going to hit enter because I don't want to activate it. Long address. There we go. That's what I want. Currently it's 3. So I want it to be the same as the locomotive number. Right here. So 4, 2, 3, 8. Make sure I got it right. Yep. Enter. Activate this address. 1 is yes. Do I want to set the configuration? Sure. 1 is yes. Direction bit, normal is fine, so enter. Speed steps, I'm going to leave that alone, so just enter, because I want 28 speed steps. DC mode, I do not want DC mode, so enter is no. Speed table, I'm going to just leave it as standard. Address, enter is short, 1 is long, so I want to use long, 1. Do I want to set up motor control? No. So I'm going to hit enter. Set up function mapping? No. Function mapping is if you want to remap some functions to different numbers, like F1 through F12 on your decoder. This is 0 through 1, and then on the NCE 10, 11, and 12, use the shift at the bottom. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to hit enter. Do I want to program a CV? And yes, I do. There is one CV. CV is a register that you can program the behavior of the decoder that's on the locomotive. I want to program one of them for this thing to stop making noise after a while. And I just looked on the computer there, CV113 is the one I want to do. 113. Enter. It says currently it's 2. So after 0.2 of a second, it should shut off. Now, I want it to go for maybe 5 seconds without shutting off, so I'm going to set it to 50. Enter. Program, so that's done. I don't want to do any more, so I hit enter, and I'm done. So I'm going to hit program escape, and I'm out. So now I'm set to local 4238, so I should be able to hit the horn here. And now it responds to 4238. So it's not that hard to program a decoder, especially with an NCE. I've never used a Digitrax, so I don't know what the process is there. But with the NCE, it is pretty simple to do quick setup. It's a little more complicated if you want to, say, program the speed steps or remap functions, but the manual explains it pretty well. And I'm sure there's lots of YouTube videos about that. So, thanks for watching.